Like you supply, all the tires. Looking so surprise, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby go rise on me. My little baby go ride on me. Maria, 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 ah. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, ah, yeah.
Yeah, me like it. Every time you wake up, stunning with no makeup. Me like it. How you call my name up? Got me feeling way up. Me like it. Haters tryna break us. Them know they can shake us. Me like it. Baby, me no chaser. Get ready to take off. Okay, yeah. Up and away we go.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great and keeping safe. So today, basically, I'm just going out to get a few bits just around my area, and hopefully, I hope I won't spend the whole day in the market, because I just want to get some potatoes, some green pepper. I'm going to be making like a green pepper sauce with some potatoes. And yes, I'll get just some veggies really. So let's go. I just literally want to dash into the store and just come out and not have to buy anything more, because I'm on a strict budget at the moment. And I'm sure a lot of you feel me. I'm on a strict budget. If you see the list I wrote, very serious list, very scanty list. So it's just like 6 or 7 items, and I literally need to leave that store. I'm not going to pass through the chocolate aisle. Neither will I pass through the makeup section, because those are my weaknesses. Yes! So it's in and out. Let's go. So this fragrance diffuser, I got it from Miniso. So when we got it, I now asked the attendant that do they have testers or something so we can smell it, right? Do you know what the guy said to me? He said, open here, this place here. He said, open here so you will hear the smell. My people, I don't understand. He said, open here so you will hear the smell.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mine. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do. Got a lot of. What you expect? How I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate,
You take the head off and you put it on the soup.
2 hours later.
I'm back from the market and hi, don't be small. You know, it's not like going to the market is hectic. It's the unpacking and the cleaning of stuff. Back then I used to have a maid who would help me do this, but now I have to do it myself. I beg, can somebody, all this brainy Padu, if Bill Gates is listening, this would be nice. Can you guys invent a robot that can just help to kitchen robots? I don't mind, I can clean every other place. Bathroom, I can clean it myself. The living rooms, I can do that myself. Or maybe the more robots can be multi-purpose. Please, let them just, if you can create a household robot, it will really help me. Let me go and check the fish that I put on fire, let it not burn.
3 days later.
Baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh. Promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, no. But get it, no. Come here to me, to me. Come here to me, let's go. Come here, come to me, Fatu mata jembele, oh Lord. The Fatu mata jembele, oh jembele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again, no. Everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Keep us safe. Baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you.
Day 3.
See. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
Hi guys, so today we're just going out and about. Hey, say hello.
Hello.
So we're going to be taking you on this journey with us. We're going to a restaurant, and let me stop talking and start showing you what Lagos looks like now.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time.
You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better. Oh, love you better. Love you better, Lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind, my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried too hard.
Alright, what can you sit, please? Alright, sit down.
I'm in the portent machine. Try to spread this butter.
That's not important. That's not important.
It is.
That's not super important.
Let me see. Okay, you need to sit properly.
One more.
I hope you're listening. You should hold your fork on your left.
Tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you.
The next day.
Love you better, better. Love you better, better,
So I'm going to show you all of the colors: orange, blue, white, green, pink, and purple. Oh, look at this! Oh wow, look! Okay. Whoa! Wow, look. Let's
2 hours later.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got